cordless drill provides a great way for anyone to drive screws with power and accuracy. The problem is, today's drills have so much power, you can easily split the wood. Let me show you how. This is particularly a problem when you're driving a screw near the very end or edge of the board. Once the head tightens up, you can see what happens, splits the wood. Now to prevent that, what you can do is drill a pilot hole or a screw shank clearance hole with a drill bit, then come back with a screwdriver bit to drive the screw, but that means you have to keep switching back and forth. So to prevent that, get yourself a drill driver bit. This is the best accessory for any cordless drill. It's basically just a screw driving tip on one end, but if you unlock the collar and flip it around, you see you have a pilot bit and a counter bore and a counter sink all in one. So what you do first is, before you drive the screw, drill the hole. And then drill down a little bit for the counter bore or the counter sink for the screw head. Then simply flip it around, drive in the screw, and no worry about splitting the board.